Editing images. Displaying images is easy, but creating a consistent and visually pleasing experience with said images is more difficult. There are a few ways that you can optimize your site's images for display. There are some adjustments you can make even before you upload an image. Your images should be a JPEG file if the file is a static image with no transparency, a PNG file if the file is a static image with transparency, or a GIF if the image has a simple animation. For most purposes, except site logos, favicons, or animated GIFs, images should be about 2,500 pixels in width, but should also be under 20 megabytes. This allows Squarespace to rescale the image without losing detail and without using up too much memory. File names shouldn't include characters other than letters, numbers, underscores, and hyphens to avoid issues while uploading. If you're planning to create an image that includes text and feature it in an image or gallery block or a gallery page, it is highly recommended that you upload the image without the text and use Squarespace settings to add the text on top of it. This enables Squarespace to scan the text for SEO purposes and rescale the image correctly to fit on smaller devices. You can add text on top of an image in the settings of image blocks and gallery blocks by going to the settings of the element, going to the Design tab, and changing the layout to something with editable text. If you do plan on uploading an image with text, despite this, use a PNG file, as text in JPEG files becomes blurry when the image is compressed. Once images are uploaded to your site, you can make a number of changes to the image directly in Squarespace using the built-in editor. Depending on how you're displaying an image, how you access the image editor is different, but look for Edit Image Editor or a pencil icon, as clicking any of these will open the selected image in the image editor. There are 3 types of adjustments you can easily make with the editor: adjusting image values, cropping the image to a new size, and applying filters to it. Under Adjust, you can modify an image's brightness, contrast, saturation, sharpness, blur, highlights, and shadows by moving sliders. Under Crop, you can change the image's aspect ratio to a common or arbitrary value by selecting an option or dragging the corners of the image, or apply transformations to the image, like flipping it vertically or horizontally, or rotating the image in 90-degree increments. You can also straighten the image up to 45 degrees using the slider bar beneath the image. Under Filter, you can apply a pre-made filter to the image and adjust its strength with the slider beneath the images. If your site features a lot of decorative images, you can apply the same filter to all of them to give your site's visual design additional consistency. Once you're done making changes to the image in the editor, click Save. You can also make a number of changes to a displayed image in Site Styles by selecting the block displaying the image. Depending on how the image is displayed, you may be able to adjust several different settings here. Combining all of these Squarespace settings with any external image editing you can do can augment your site's visual design and improve your visitors' experience even further.